Hey everyone, welcome back to Mobile Munch. Today we're setting our sights on the Oppo Reno 11, a mid-range phone that's been around for a few months but still packs a punch. Let's see if it offers enough bang for your buck in today's competitive market. Stunning display and smooth scrolling. The Oppo Reno 11 boasts a gorgeous 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means scrolling through social media, browsing the web, and gaming feels incredibly fluid and responsive. The display also gets nice and bright, with a peak brightness of 950 nits, making it easy to view content outdoors on a sunny day. For added peace of mind, the screen is protected by a Glass AGC Star 2, a tough material that should help prevent scratches and nicks. Powerful performance for everyday tasks. Under the hood, the Reno 11 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor. This processor, combined with 8GB or 12GB of RAM, depending on the configuration, delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks, social media, and even some light gaming. With 128GB or 256GB of storage, you'll have plenty of space for your apps, photos, and videos. While the storage is expandable via microSD card, it's important to note that Oppo uses the older UFS 2.2 storage standard. Some newer phones are offering the faster UFS 3.1, but for most users, UFS 2.2 should still provide good performance. A versatile camera system for everyday shooters. The Reno 11 features a triple camera system on the back. The 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization, captures sharp and clear photos in good lighting conditions. There's also a 32-megapixel telephoto lens that offers 2x optical zoom for getting a closer look at your subject. Rounding out the system is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor for capturing expansive landscapes and group shots. The 32-megapixel front-facing camera takes decent selfies and handles video calls well. Overall, the camera system is good for everyday use, but low-light performance could be better. Long-lasting battery and speedy charging. The Oppo Reno 11 packs a 5,000 mAh battery, which should provide enough power to last you through a full day on a single charge with moderate usage. But when you do need to top up, the 67-watt fast-charging technology gets you back up and running in no time. Oppo claims the phone can reach 100% charge in just 40 minutes, which is incredibly convenient. Is it still a good buy in 2024? The Oppo Reno 11 is a compelling option for users looking for a stylish phone with a smooth display, good performance, a versatile camera system, and long battery life. The expandable storage and fast charging are also pluses. However, some users might miss the newer UFS 3.1 storage standard and a headphone jack. With newer phones being released all the time, it's important to consider your budget and priorities. So that's our look at the Oppo Reno 11. Would the lack of UFS 3.1 storage or a headphone jack be deal breakers for you? Let me know in the comments below what features are most important to you in a mid-range phone. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more tech reviews.